Good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. Now in this particular session we are going to talk about a new method of search called heuristic search. Heuristic search is considered as the better and the efficient search methods compared to the previous search methods. All the informed search methods use the heuristic search only. Okay, so it's a good and efficient and informed search. These all are informed search methods. And these heuristic search are considered as the optimal one, greedy one, and better. To better the search performance, these are optimal and also greedy. Okay, optimal and greedy. And they can be applicable to various kinds of the domains to solve the particular search problems. Okay, heuristic search apply to various number of the problem domains. Okay, so number of problem domains it is implemented. So for this we are going to see a general purpose heuristic method. Okay, in this general purpose heuristic method, how the thing will be implemented, how the heuristic thing will be implemented, all these things now we are going to see. We take one general purpose heuristic method and we will apply to a good problem that is called as traveling salesman. Okay, this general purpose heuristic method is applicable to traveling salesperson. Then how the algorithm will look like, now we are going to see. There are number of the cities in a given cluster. Say suppose this is a cluster, this cluster having n number of the cities. We have to explore all the cities one after another. Select any one of the city arbitrarily here. I have selected this particular city. Okay. So then I started visiting the city which is very much closest to this particular one. And I have started from this. And I explored the city which is very much closest to this. And I started from this, the city which is very much closest to this. And I have started which is very much closest. And I have started from this which is very much closest. Like this, the search will complete till it completes all these things. Okay. So select a city. Okay. And based on nearest neighbor. Nearest neighbor means which is closest to this particular one. Okay. Nearest neighbor or closer or minimum distance, whatever it is. Okay. Based on the nearest neighbor or close or minimum distance, select the cities or explore the cities. So this is the step 1, this is the step 2 and this is the step 3. And repeat this until R will complete. So repeat this procedure until you complete all the cities within this particular cluster. This is called as general purpose heuristic method. Based on this particular method is called as general purpose heuristic based on nearest neighbor. General purpose heuristic based on nearest neighbor. Nearest neighbor means what? Which is the minimum distance to the other or closer to the other or near to the other. Like that you will explore all the cities within the given cluster. This is the heuristic search technique which is very greedy and gives optimal, and within a less amount of the time you can explore all the number of the cities. This kind of the searching technique is called as heuristic search technique. And this heuristic search technique can be implemented in various number of the problem domains in the real world. So what are the various heuristic search methods are there now? We are going to see. I list the various number of the heuristic search methods. What are they? Now we are going to see. The very first one, heuristic search, here we need to talk about is hill climbing. Climbing the hill. The next one, simulated annealing. Simulated annealing is the reverse process of the hill climbing. Hill climbing is the way to climb the hill. Simulated annealing is the downing from the hill, top to down. That is the reverse procedure of the hill climbing. And the third one is best first search. Fourth one, constraint satisfaction problem. This often regarded as CSP, stands for constraint satisfaction problem. And fifth one is problem reduction. Sixth one is mean sense analysis. And last one is nothing but generate and test. Actually this will comes under the first one, and the last number I have given it as generate and test. All these are the 7 kinds of the heuristic search methods, which we will apply the heuristic search in various kinds of the problem domains. All these are problem domains are not similar. These are very dissimilar problem domains we have applied. We are going to apply our heuristic method to get the good results in all these methods. So in our next videos, we will discuss each and every one very elaborately. Okay. So please watch the next videos also to get the information regarding all these heuristic methods. If you like this video, please subscribe Intelligible Tutorials for more information. Thank you.